To find anyone's email on LinkedIn, there are two super easy steps that you can follow as well. So first, if you're on somebody's LinkedIn profile, up top you can see here a section called Contact Info. When you click on it, sometimes you'll see the email is actually revealed. So here, sarah@firstsign.ai, I can simply copy it and use it for my outreach. But oftentimes, like in Bill Gates' profile here, I cannot find the email in the contact info section. So in order to find anybody's email, I use a tool called Scalelist.com. So simply go to the website, create yourself a free trial account, you'll be given a certain amount of credits, because Scalelist is one of the best emails and mobile numbers finder out in the market that allows you to find emails anywhere online. So once you created an account, just go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Scalelist, and you'll find this page here. Click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and that's it. Now we go back to Bill Gates' profile. I'm just going to refresh the page to load the Scalelist button. So as you can see here, I have a new button that had just appeared. I can move it around if I want. I'm going to open it, and then it shows that I can reveal Bill Gates' email as well as phone number. So if I click on Find Email, it will cost me actually 1 credit per email found. As you can see here, I can just copy it and go for it, but I can do the same for phone numbers if that's what I need. I can also then save it to my CRM or to my list. So I'm going to create a new list. I'll say US tech founders, for example. Okay, I can name the list and I can add several more people to the list as well. I can view that list in my dashboard. So essentially what it does is once I have found the person's email, it will also verify it. So I will know whether it's a valid email or if it's a risky email. So here I can add more people. I can export the entire list as a CSV or even push it to my CRM or any other sequencer. And if you're looking to do the same process on LinkedIn Sales Navigator instead, I've left this video that will show you the entire process very easily. So over to you and happy scaling.